Okay, so guys, Infinix's first phone with a notch is here. The Infinix Hot S3x. Somebody decided to go with that name, S3x. Let's see what's inside the box when you get your phone, what you'll be getting. I think you know the specs of the phone. It's a 6.2-inch display, AI selfie. It's 16 megapixels and should be able to do really good shots in low light. There is a massive 4000 milliamp battery. It's a Qualcomm Snapdragon processor. So let's unbox the So yeah, this is our first look at the notch at the home screen. Okay guys, so what I think I really like about the phone from my very first initial impressions is that it is quite thin. Yeah, it's quite thin, quite light, and it has a finish that's really good. Yes, it's plastic, but it looks really good. You can see for yourself. It looks really good, and even though it's plastic, the finish is quite good. It's better than the Hot 6 Pro and the Hot S3. The finish is much better. The plastic could be a problem for you, but it's shiny, it's fingerprinty, it could pass for metal if you look at it from afar. I hope it doesn't scratch easily. The front looks good. It's overall a really clean phone. I hate the notch, obviously, but I hope Infinix have done it better than what other phones have been, affordable phones like the Oppo A3s have been doing, because on Infinix there should be notifications. I have not set it up to have my account and to start receiving notifications of that, but I hope I can see my notifications somewhere. I hope I don't have to learn to use the phone afresh. I love it because at 17,500 recommended retail price, you get 3 gigs of RAM, 32 GB of internal storage. There's a huge battery inside. I love that the display, even though it's a 720p panel, is kind of on top of the screen. It's like, it looks good. It doesn't feel like you're looking on top of another display to check out your display. It's on top. I think that's what they mean by fully laminated. I know that the camera is the same as the Hot 6 Pro, so I expect good photos. The 16 megapixel front camera is the highlight of the phone, so I'll be checking that out, and you can read my thoughts and full review on techish.com. I think I like the phone. I hope the battery life is amazing. I know I can learn to live with that notch because I'm used to the XOS skin on top of Infinix devices. What I hate about XOS still remains the same, because you can see there is bloatware, there is spotty bed, there's some bloatware over here. There is FX browser, there is Eagle. I don't know what that is, but what I do with apps that I don't know whenever I unbox an Infinix phone is I go ahead and delete them, so I'll be deleting that. This is a phone that looks good. I hope to love it. I hate that the headphone jack is at the top, but that's a minor issue. Also, I'll be comparing this Infinix Hot S3x to the Oppo A3s. The Oppo A3s only has 2 gigs of RAM and 16 GB of internal storage. They are similarly priced, so you know, if you want value, you're getting value on the Hot 6 or Hot S3x. The only thing the Oppo A3s beats the only way Oppo A3s beats the S3x is on battery, because this has a slightly bigger battery. The display, as you can see, look quite the same, but I personally would be hoping, or will be preferring, the display on the Hot S3x because it's brighter, it looks more vivid for me. But time will tell after a little more interaction with both phones. I've had this for a while now. Overall, it feels good, looks good, and I'm hoping to love it over the weeks that I'll be using it. You can read my full review that will be coming in the next few weeks on techish.com. You can read my first thoughts and initial impressions after a few hours with the phone on techish.com, which I'll be posting soon. And you can ask me any question you want about this phone. Thank you for watching. Subscribe.